Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special item here with me. I got this for myself more than a week ago, so this is like a huge success for me that I haven't opened and touched this bag and box for such a long time. I really wanted to sit down and do this together with you guys. I don't really know why, but there is something so satisfying in just like unboxing things and watching other people do that. So yeah, I don't know, it's weird. But here I am, and before I go ahead and show you what I got, I would really appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means so much to me, and I do want to thank all of you guys who are already subscribed. Thank you so much for supporting me and just coming back to my channel. Now let's go ahead and start unboxing. And here is the actual bag. We all recognize the logo and the packaging. It is gorgeous, and honestly, I didn't mind having this in the corner of my room because it's like so decorative and nice. But yeah, let's stop admiring the packaging and let's actually dive into what we have in this bag. Now I'm so excited, guys. Like it feels like Christmas. I should do this more often. I should just like buy things and then wait to open them, because it just like builds this like, yeah. So yeah, it comes with this nice paper bag with a ribbon, and then here we have the actual bag. Well, there is a flower, which I don't even know what is it for. I guess now by the shape and the size of the box, you can already tell that it is a pair of shoes. I wanted this pair of shoes for a really, really long time. Yeah, they've been out for the longest time ever. And yeah, it's just something that I always thought about, but I don't know why I just never took a plunge and I never went ahead and bought them. But this time I am actually getting ready for a vacation. I'm going to Dubai, and I just thought that this would be perfect everyday shoe. And now I'm telling you too much because probably you're already guessing what they are. So let me just untie this beautiful ribbon and we can actually take a peek. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I don't know, how is this going to... So this is the bag. We have, yeah, obviously dust bag. I think they give 2 dust bags. That's what it should be. Yes, there are 2 dust bags for each shoe. They're just like a nice standard black canvas with Chanel logo. Then we have probably like a certificate, yes, and just like your care instructions in this little folder. And then we have these shoes. So here's just like a little plastic sticker. Oh my God, you guys, this is so exciting. Dun, 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 dun. Here they are. Yes, you guessed it right. Let me know in the comments if you actually knew what they were before I opened them. So here they are. It's the Chanel espadrille in the nude and black leather. Oh my God, they're so nice. Yeah, it's literally like my first time seeing them, because I just tried them once in the store and then that's it basically. I haven't seen them afterwards. Oh my God, they're so nice. I am so happy, because like I was having second thoughts whether I should have got the lambskin ones or canvas, just because I was thinking like maybe since it is a spring summer shoe, maybe canvas are more like, yeah, maybe they're like more summer appropriate. And I was afraid if the leather ones might be a little bit too warm. But honestly, I think they are just perfect. I always prefer leather shoes in general over other materials. They're always more comfortable. They kind of like take shape of your foot. And I just feel like this type of leather, which is so soft and so nice and such a good quality, will definitely not be too warm or anything. I feel like they will still be a perfect spring summer shoe for like every day. I'm sorry guys, I have hairs all over my face. So yeah, oh my God, I really, really love them. I'm so happy. I think I'm just like not gonna, I think I'm gonna wear them all the time. Yeah, they also come with this pieces of paper inside, just like to help them keep the shape. Oh my God, they are gorgeous, guys. They're like just, perfection. I also love that they started doing this like double sole, so the sole is a little bit thicker. As you can tell, the previous model, the original, like the older model of Chanel espadrilles was a little bit flatter, so it was a little bit, yeah, more flat, like shorter. I think this is much, much more flattering on legs. It looks much nicer with like short skirts and shorts and stuff like that. Oh my God, guys, they are gorgeous. So now let's talk about sizing. I will give you like a review on these probably after my vacation because I'm sure I will be wearing these all the time. So I will give you my review on like how they wear and how they feel. Are they comfortable? And yeah, were they easy to break in? Even though I feel like they don't even need any breaking in because they're so soft. I remember when I tried them on that they were so comfy and soft, like straight up. So yeah, but I will let you know how they wear. Now I do want to give you a couple of information when it comes to sizing because I think this might be really useful if you are looking into buying these. Of course, before buying, I watched other reviews and I got a little bit of mixed information. So a lot of people were saying that these run actually true to size, and that was not the case for me. It was so helpful and useful that I went to the boutique. I got these in the boutique here in Switzerland, so I went straight to the store and I tried them on. The sales assistant was so helpful. She was so nice, and honestly, if she wasn't there and if she wasn't so nice, I might have got these in a wrong size. Yeah, basically, most people were saying that these are true to size, and in my case, they actually ran a little bit bigger. So I am a European 39, so I normally never buy shoes smaller than 39. I used to do that when I was younger. If I would find shoes on sale, designer shoes on sale, I would just buy them no matter what's the size. So I would like try to squeeze myself like those Cinderella sisters in like 38. And those were like my biggest mistakes because I wasted a lot of money. So you will never end up wearing those shoes. So just don't do that. If you have to go for a wrong size, then I would always suggest going for a size up because you can always like add some padding inside, some like silicone strips or things like that. So you can make a larger shoe fit you easier than a small one. Small one will never fit you. It's just absolute waste of money. So yeah, going back to the Chanel espadrilles, I got these in size 38. So I am 39 European and I got them in 38. The sales assistant was so helpful. She told me straight up, she said like these stretch so much because they're leather, they're lambskin, so it's a very, very soft leather. These will like take the shape of your foot so quickly. And when she saw me in 39, she said like, no way, these are already roomy on your foot, and when you start wearing them, they're just gonna stretch even more, and then you will just like end up not wearing them at all. And then she said, of course, also these, you can always just like step on them if you want. But I don't know, I think I will not do that. I think I will wear them just as they are like this. So yeah, it was very, very helpful. Now I will try them again, but I feel really comfortable in these. I took a couple of steps around the store and they felt really, really comfortable. I could walk in them. They were not like tight or like too constrained anywhere. So I think that she was really, really right. But to me, this is like such a big deal because if you are trying to order these or get them like without trying them, I think this information is really, really useful because, yeah, I would have definitely ordered like 39, just because I don't know, like I always buy 39. So yeah, and people say they're true to size. So it's kind of like very wrong information in my case. I don't know. I guess if you're getting them in canvas or any other material that is not lambskin, maybe it's better to go true to size. I don't really know. I haven't even tried them. Well, actually, I'm lying. I tried the like white, like grayish, light gray and black. And I think also I preferred 38. I'm not really sure what is, I don't know. Guys, I think, yeah, I think the learning of this whole thing is try to go to the store, try to go and try them. Because at the end, it's an expensive shoe, and you don't want to just like end up having a wrong size. Yeah, I would suggest go ahead and try them. If you absolutely have to order them online, then I would go for a size smaller. I don't know. Now it's a big responsibility, but yeah, that was my case. That's all I can say. That's what happened to me. So yeah, I think that's all I can say about these shoes right now. I have nothing else to add because I haven't worn them. I can just say that they look so beautiful. It's just like a perfect summer shoe. Also, the reason why I went for lambskin instead of canvas, it's because I found that these look a little bit more put together, and I found that with these you can kind of like, yeah, I think you can wear this a little bit more. You can, I easily see myself going to like restaurants, even if the restaurant is like really nice. I feel like you can go and have like even a dinner in these. I would definitely use them more for lunch, but I think if you have to, you can even go for dinners. Opposed to the canvas ones, I think they're a little bit more casual. So yeah, I think these are a little bit better investment. And to be fair, difference in price was like absolutely insignificant. I got these in Switzerland. So I paid, I believe, 650 francs. I think that was the price. And if I remember correctly, the canvas ones were just like 30 or 40 francs less, cheaper. So yeah, it's not really a big difference for such an expensive shoe already. So yeah, I went and just got the leather ones. So that would be all, guys. I have nothing else to add about these shoes at the moment. I will keep you updated and posted on how they wear and whether I think they were a good purchase or not in the future, probably in one of my upcoming vlogs. So yeah, till then, thank you guys so much for watching. If this was helpful or entertaining or both, make sure to leave a thumbs up to this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. It means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video.